Okay guys, here is the inspiration pillow from Michaels. And here is my version without the words or lettering. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pillow cover, and I'm gonna show you mine in a minute. You're gonna need some ribbon, and I just picked up, some that sort of best fit the inspiration pillow. I've got some glitter ribbon and some orange and black. I also picked up some tulle, some glitter glue sticks from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna use the gold one out of out of the pack, and some scissors and a glue gun. And here is my pillow cover. It's just recycled because I messed it up using some iron-on vinyl, and I'm just going to recycle it. But you can get the pillow covers from Dollar Tree. They have the brown, the black, the golds, a blue one. And you're also going to need this door hanger that look like little witch stocking legs or feet. So right here, I'm just going to remove the fabric portion of the door hanger from the actual hanger itself. And it's super easy to get it off. I probably should have used some smaller scissors, but I was being lazy and didn't go get them. And it comes off really easily. They're sewn together. And so what you want to do is separate the two at the top. And it's super easy because we're going to cut that off eventually anyway. So now you want to make sure you put something like cardboard or newspaper on the inside of your pillow cover, because you don't want to glue the actual pillow cover to itself because the glue may seep through. So I'm just inserting a piece of cardboard that I had on hand. And you can see my mistake there. I tried to peel that vinyl off and couldn't, so I'm just recycling. But again, you can get these covers at Dollar Tree. Now I'm just sort of lining up the leg with the seam line of the pillow cover. And I'm going to do the same with the other leg, but I'm turning it in the opposite, direction. So it looks as though she's just standing there. And I love that. I think that is so adorable. Okay, now I'm just going to glue it down. If you're a sewer, you could sew this down, but I'm just hot gluing it down. And just taking my time doing it because I didn't want to get anything crooked. But I mean, if you do, that'll just add to the character of the pillow. I think this is just an amazing little easy to make pillow. So yeah, and doing the same thing on the other side here, and just, lining it up. And again, we're going to cut the tops of the stockings off, so don't worry about that if it's longer than the pillow cover itself. And now I'm just going to glue the bottom down, and it's good to do it like this so that you can make sure it goes on straight. Just take your time. And there you go. I love how this is turning out. Okay, now we're going to add the ruffles or the skirt portion of it. So I took some pinking shears and I cut off one of the wire edges of the ribbon to give it a little texture. And I'm doing an accordion fold, just if you were making a paper fan, to give it, the ruffled look. And it's going to hold the shape because of the other wire edge that we left on. So yeah, see, it turned out really cute. And I'm just going to hot glue this now to the top portion of the pillow cover. And again, we're going to cut that extra stocking portion off. And I'm just going to use the glue gun and take my time, place a nice little bead, and just sort of, keep that accordion fold in it and glue the ribbon down. And be careful, if you have an adjustable temp glue gun, use the low setting, especially if you're doing this with kids. My glue gun doesn't have an adjustable temp, so of course I burned myself a couple times, but just be careful. And we're going to repeat the process with the tool. I actually cut the tool in half lengthwise. I didn't want it super, long when it came down between the ribbon. And you want to kind of line it just below that first layer of ribbon so that it kind of, the ribbon lays across the top of the tool, if you know what I'm saying, to create that layered effect. And we're just repeating the process again with the ribbon. And you can see what I'm talking about. You just want to kind of add layers to make it look, dimensional and things like that. So, yep, super easy. And there we are, all finished. And I actually added the tool from the top of the door hanger at the bottom to form some little panties, if you will. And right here I'm just adding some glitter ribbon to the top to sort of finish off that edge. I've cut the extra portion of the stocking off, and this just gives it a finished look and a little blinginess too. So it looks really nice. I love this. Okay, so there we are. So now we're gonna take that gold glue stick, the glitter glue stick from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna add some dimension to the buckle of the shoe, so it won't be so flat looking. I mean, you have dimension at the top with the skirt, so you kind of want to bring that down into the bottom of the pillow. So I'm just adding that to the buckle, and it gives it a little sparkle too with the glitter. And you can use like dimensional puff paint or something like that if you don't have the glue sticks or can't find them. Now we're gonna stuff the pillow. You can use a recycled pillow for this if you want. I didn't have a pillow to put in there, so I'm just using the fiberfill. And I got this from Walmart a while ago. I just keep it on hand. But yeah, I'm just stuffing it to the max. I like really full, plump pillows. So I'm just making sure I get all in the corners and everywhere, so it'll be really nice and full. But again, if you have a pillow you want to recycle and put in here, you can totally do that. And here we go. And again, these pillow covers are at Dollar Tree. They have the colors, the browns, the blacks, the blues, the really pretty gold color. So pick some up and make these. Okay, and there we are, y'all. I just love how this turned out. I mean, super cheap, really, really cheap from Dollar Tree items. Love this. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.